Hi, I'm Kevin Lindstrom from the TechOps team here at ButterflyMX. I'm here in our New York warehouse to demonstrate inductive voltage kickback when wiring a ButterflyMX video intercom directly to an electric lock. In this video, we demonstrate inductive voltage kickback when wiring a ButterflyMX smart intercom directly to an electric lock. This is what necessitates the installation of a diode near each DC powered lock and a resistor near each AC lock. Notice the RB5 relay, the power supplies for the lock and the relay, the DC strike lock, and the point in the connection at which the LED has been inserted. Activation of the ButterflyMX lights up the relay's LED. Pay attention closely, as when it deactivates, the LED will briefly fire. The diode or resistor protects against the voltage that is causing the LED to light up once the system deactivates. In case you missed it, here it is again. Now a close-up of the LED firing.